Congratulations on taking the first steps to becoming more energy efficient. Michigan Solar Solutions believes in educating our clients to make empowered decisions by providing the tools and our team of experts to guide you on your solar journey. In this video, we'll prepare you for your upcoming solar survey. In 1 to 2 hours, our technicians will examine the physical layout of your property, including the roof, shading, and orientation of the home. We will need access to attic spaces and basements to collect measurements and document existing electrical equipment. In order to provide a quality inspection, please ensure the technicians have access to all necessary areas of the property and any pets have been notified of our visit. Our technicians are licensed drone pilots. Drones allow us to get a more accurate and detailed view of your property. We will collect high-resolution images and video that are used to create a 3D model used to simulate system performance and identify potential shading issues. The process will ensure the solar panels are properly sized and positioned to maximize their efficiency. During the exterior inspection, we will note site features such as septic systems and wells. For roof-mounted systems, we will need to document the type and condition and note any obstructions. We will need to know the location of the electrical meter area, verify the meter number, as well as note if there is a generator or any other unique aspects of your home. When complete with the exterior portion of the survey, our technicians will need access to any attic spaces.
So in the attic, we're looking for structural information and any existing issues such as like mold or moisture damage, the size and type of the supports, and to plan for potential wire runs. We'll gather all this information, take some photos, sometimes some videos are necessary, and send all that off to our engineering for further analysis.
For homes with no attic or ceiling access, such as cathedral ceilings or flat roofs, drawings may need to be obtained to gather any necessary information. The next critical step in our survey is a thorough evaluation of your home's existing electrical equipment.
For the electrical portion of the survey, we start by evaluating the existing electrical equipment. We're looking for the condition of the equipment that's there. We're looking for any potential code violations or clearance issues. We need 3 feet of clearance in front of all electrical devices. That can be an issue in some cases. Water lines, things of that nature. In every house, there's a first means of disconnect coming from the utility. In this case, that's this main service panel here. So with the main panel, the basic things we're looking for are the manufacturer, the size of the wire coming to it, the main breaker size, the location of the panel relative to the meter. If it's on the other side of the house, that's definitely noteworthy. If there are batteries, we need to make sure that we have the circuits labeled that are set to be backed up. To gather that information, we will need to take off this cover.
Our surveys allow us to deliver honest and transparent estimates. As a turnkey solar provider, our goal is to make it easy for you to switch to solar. Should you have any questions prior to your home's solar survey, please contact one of our experts. They are happy to help.